So guys, as you can see that we have a simple leg mesh and two bone. Suppose we want to place these two bone inside this leg mesh properly. So how to do it? It's really simple. Let's get back to object mode. Select the mesh. Now we are in wireframe view. Tap to edit mode. Suppose we want to place this head of the bone accurately at the center of this sphere. So for that, select the sphere, then Shift S, cursor to selected. Now as you can see that our cursor is at the center of this sphere. Now go back to object mode. Now select the armature layer or the bone layer, then tap to edit mode. So we want to position this head of the bone in here. So for that, select the bone head, then again Shift plus S, selection to cursor. See, it's really simple. Now press on numpad 1. Now we want to place this head at the center of this edge. Go back to object mode, select the mesh, tap to edit mode. Let's hide the unwanted mesh. Press on L to select the connected meshes. Press on H to hide the mesh. Now we will select the face. Press on 3, face selection, select the face, again Shift plus S, cursor to selected, tap to object mode, select the bone, tap to edit mode, select the other head, Shift S, selection to cursor. See, it's really simple. Now let's position this bone too. Select this head, Shift plus S, cursor to selected. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.